Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to install LastPass browser extension. To do that, tap the three dots at the upper right corner and then scroll down until you see extensions. Then tap on it. Then in here, tap the three lines at the upper left corner and then tap Open Chrome Web Store. In here, tap the LastPass. Then choose LastPass Free Password Manager. Tap the Add to Chrome button at the right side. Tap OK. Once the installation is complete, you should see the LastPass icon in your browser toolbar. So that's how to install LastPass browser extension. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.